See for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Elliot, wait, please.
He went this way. No, that way. Hello, good night.
Now this is curious. I wonder if the rabbit came here.
Could try. This way, don't they? I'm not sure where I am.
Wait, don't go, please.
Oh, by the way, he went this way.
And the queen, she likes him red. She's not quite instead.
Oh, she can raise a fuss.
Yes, and each of us.
What's his head?
Now, since this is the fourth week, we're making the roses.
And the king.
Shall we play croquet?
And rule 42. The queen always wins.